ultimate durability begins with a solid block of aluminium, machined into a seamless structure. Combined with an internal metal plate, this reinforces the core of the device. One strong twist locks it in place. This is an approach to engineering that is built to last. It's this strength on the inside that inspires the beauty on the outside. Great engineering deserves bold design. Diamond-cut edges and a two-tone anodizing process reflect an attention to detail that brings the new Nokia 6 to life. A focus on quality, design, and craftsmanship, a part of every Nokia smartphone.
For the ultimate feel in the hand, each Nokia 7 Plus receives no less than 6 layers of ceramic feel paint. Machined from a solid block of aluminium, its edges anodized twice to accentuate the design. 3 ultra-sensitive cameras with Zeiss optics capture every detail, front and back. They are smart enough to adjust to even the most challenging conditions, capturing your special moments in low light or streaming them to the world via dual sight. A phone that is slim enough to use with one hand yet shows amazing detail on the 6-inch Full HD Plus screen with an impressive 2-day battery life. This is the new Nokia 7 Plus.
Up in the cold north, we're taught to craft extraordinary things you can depend on. In real life. And in real life, your friends aren't models, so you depend on the quality of your camera. In real life, you like embarrassing music, but in great quality. And real life isn't a joyride. So you need a phone that smoothly guides you to that friendly car mechanic for yet another ripoff. Ordinary life deserves an extraordinary phone.